Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start enterprise solutions with SAP Cloud, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start with enterprise solutions using SAP Cloud, begin by understanding what SAP Cloud is. SAP Cloud offers a range of tools and services designed to improve business operations. Next, familiarize yourself with the different SAP Cloud products available. Visit the official SAP website to explore the various solutions and their functionalities. Choose the specific solution that aligns best with your business needs. Create an SAP account if you do not already have one. Once your account is set up, log into the SAP Cloud platform. Navigate to the Service Marketplace to browse available services. Select the service that you want to implement for your enterprise solutions. Review the details and documentation provided for the chosen service. Begin by initiating a new project within the SAP Cloud platform. Follow the prompts to configure your project settings. Set your project goals and define key performance indicators. Design your architecture by selecting the necessary components. Utilize SAP's pre-built templates to streamline your setup process. Start integrating your existing systems with the chosen SAP Cloud services. Use the SAP Integration Suite for seamless data connectivity. Next, customize your solution based on your company's specific requirements. Leverage SAP tools for analytics to gain insights into your data. Conduct thorough testing of the system before going live. Gather feedback from stakeholders to further refine your solution. Once testing is complete, prepare for the deployment phase. Deploy your enterprise solution and monitor its performance closely. Implement a training program for your team to ensure everyone is on board. Establish a support system for users to report issues or seek help. Continuously evaluate the operation of your SAP Cloud solution. Make adjustments as necessary to optimize performance and user experience. Stay updated with new features and enhancements SAP regularly introduces. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.